Hello, this is Ness Tilson here. This is a short video about how to set up doors that only have two stiles and a central panel without any rails. Well, this is how to do it quickly with a central panel. How do we do this? Well, it is very easy. In fact, I'll just show you. Let's open a new cabinet and I'll show you. Let's just open a new cabinet. Let's say we have a cabinet here. Let's give it a height of 800 just so we get a decent shape to it, and let's add a couple of doors. So we had a door, that's a double door, and we have a couple of doors. Now let's just go into one of the doors, click on one of the doors, and let's edit its structure. We take its assembly, and let's say that we want it, we go to the assembly method overpassing uprights. That's stiles are going to the top and the bottom of the door. And the central panel, let's put in the central panel, for instance, we don't really care what the central panel is made of. Let's put it in 90mm beech. And on the other hand, the upper crossbar here, when I select the upper crossbar, and the material will be a nil material, nil bar. And then to get to the bottom crossbar, to eliminate the bottom crossbar, I have to use display advanced parameters. And we have here lower crossbar. I select lower crossbar, it's now in green, and I'm going to do the same thing, a nil bar, and up, and then we have this. Here we have the panel. We can see that the panel is actually centered onto the thickness of the uprights. If I want to step it onto the back, what I do is I just, while this door is still selected, and let's go into edit to the structure again, and this time the central panel part here, click central panel, alignment centered, but we don't want it aligned on the center, we want it on the back, aligned to the back. And so now if we have a look, we're actually centered on the back here. So how do we get that panel and make the other door the same? Well, it's still selected, it's sort of orange yellow here, and if I go into door one is selected, and I go into copy and I click copy structure, and then I open the door 2, click door 2, it's now selected because it's orange, and I go edit and I just put paste structure, and the structure that I added onto the first door is now on the second door. And here we have it, two doors with just continuous stiles and a single middle panel. Okay, I hope this has been interesting for you, and hope to see you again in another video soon. Goodbye.